guys, it is Make, Bake, and Create, and today I'm going to be doing a baking review. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to review is the Pillsbury Moist Supreme Yellow Cake Mix. I love it a lot. It's really good. This is what I usually get, and it even smells really good even before you bake it, and you can smell it from the oven, and I just love it. I think it's great. I don't know if there's a bad thing about it, but yeah, I don't think so. So, next thing. I only have two things, so, next thing. So, another good thing about the cake mix is it only calls for water, oil, and eggs, so it's really easy to make, and, well, man. So the next thing is the Pillsbury Creamy Supreme Chocolate Fudge Frosting. It smells and tastes delicious. Delicious. Thanks for watching. That is it for the review, and I will see you next time. Bye! So the thirst. So, delicious. 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 Delicious.
Okay.
Yep.
Say it once before you hit.
So, I actually thought of one bad thing. I mean, it's not terrible. Yes, I have to cut. Okay. It's not terrible, but it tells you to be with a mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. I mean, if you don't have a mixer, I mean, you could just use your, like, a whisk or whatever. It's not the worst thing, but it's, you know, I'd rather have it tell you when, never mind, whatever.